go 4, 3, 2, 1. I go 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I push a little button and I open the door. Then I close it right away cause there is no...
Come on, you guys. Come on. Horton's show is about to start. Coming, Kermit. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. I can't believe Horton got a show. Why would they give a show to an elephant? They should have given a show to a more sophisticated, excitable character. You wouldn't mean a moose, would you? How did you know? I should have figured. Oh, come on, come on. Where's their remote? Who's got the remote? Oh, I'll get a frog. Here you go. Okay. Here we go. Oh, I can't wait. Good evening, ladies and germs. Welcome to the Elephant Show. The show that's all elephants all the time. And now, to your host with the most, Horton the Elephant. Thank you. Subscribe. Oh, wait, no, not yet. That's the end of the video. Welcome to the Elephant Show. The show that focuses a lot about elephants. Yes. And now to start the show, we're gonna do our elephant exercises. You at home, do it with us. Pretend your arms are trunks and follow along with us. Okay, I need my crew. Meet the crew. Where's the other guy? Oh, there he is. Okay, hit it. Now follow us. Now get the trunks up and down. Up and down. Up and down. Up and down. Now tilt and 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 tilt. Now jump and 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 jump on. Not the self. Never jump again. Okay, now it's time for a segment I like to call Elephants in the Media. Today, we're going to be talking about Dumbo, the famous Disney elephant. Now, how did a little elephant like this become an overnight sensation so fast? Well, I will tell you. It is because, well, he started out as an elephant who kept getting bullied because he had a small trunk. Yeah, look at that thing. Poor elephant. Until his ears gave him the ability to fly. He became very, very famous. How famous? He needs to start his own movie. How more famous can you get? Not to mention, he's getting, he got a live action remake. Yes, those live action remakes, yes. You know, Dumbo even inspired me to fly. But you can't fly. Watch me. Wait, you're gonna do that again? Oh, no, wait. Wait a minute! You okay? Whoa! Why don't we move on? Okay, well, after that, it's time for the musical portion of our program. And here to sing a song is me, Patrick Star. You? Yes, me. I'm gonna sing a song on your little show. Why? Because I could sing wonderful. Remember, Other Mario! Where did they even come from? Scooter's not even here. Well, anyway, I know a good elephant song. You do? Yes, I do. Alright, fine, do it. Thank you. Why am I already regretting this? Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Time for my sing-along song on Horton's little show. Okay, here we go. It's Patrick's time to shine. I was lying in my bed on a quiet night. Went down to the kitchen to get myself a bite. I reached for the light, and as I walked in the door, I tripped and knocked a big old pipe down on the floor. And what did I hear? I heard my dog bark. Woof, 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 woof. Wait, what? I heard my dog bark. Woof, 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 woof. I heard my dog bark. Woof, 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 woof. And standing in the dark, I heard my dog bark. Woof, 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 woof. What does this got to do with elephants? Well, they barked so loud that it woke up my cat. I bet you know the next thing that I heard after that. I heard my cat meow. Meow, meow. I heard my cat meow. Mew, 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 mew. I heard my cat meow. Mew, mew, mew. I'm standing in the dark. I heard my dog bark. Woof, 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 woof. Well, the barking and meowing it might just go ouch. It woke up my big cow who sleeps on the couch. I heard my cow moo. I heard my cow moo. I heard my cat meow. I mean meow. And standing in the dark, I heard my cat bark. Woof, 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 woof. Well, the noise was so loud that it hurt my head. It woke up my pet lion who sleeps on my bed. I heard my lion roar. Roar. I heard my lion roar. Roar. I heard my cow moo. I heard my cat meow. Meow. Standing in the dark, I heard my dog bark. Woof, 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 woof. With the loudest noise that there ever was. It woke up my pet bumblebee and he began to buzz. I heard my bee buzz. I heard my bee lion roar. Roar. I heard my cow moo. I heard my cat meow. Meow. Standing in the dark, I heard my dog bark. Woof, 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 woof. Well, I put them all to bed around the house. Soon it was quiet as a mouse. But then my pet mouse, he stuck out of his jaw. He tipped and knocked a big old pot down on the floor. And then I heard my dog bark. Woof, 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 woof. I heard my dog bark. Woof, 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 roar, roar. I heard my dog bark. Ruff, 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 ruff. And standing in the dark, I heard my dog bark. Woof, 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 woof. Woof, 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 roar, woof, woof, roar, roar, meow, 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 ruff, 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 ruff. Ooh. Thank you very much, thank you. So, Mr. Elephant, what did you think? Patrick, come with me. And the rest of you go home. Okay. Wait, that's a real cat. Why didn't Patrick just book her? It's Patrick. Will you get off me? He's stupid. I think I did a good cat, says the character who rarely appears in videos. I'm getting coffee. What? So, do you love it or do you love it? Patrick? Yeah? What are you trying to do to my show? Whoa, that song had nothing to do with elephants. Oh, an elephant song. I thought you wanted an all animal song. You know what? I think you're gonna have to stick around for the next segment of our show where we elephants need to let loose so once in a while. It's called Elephant Stampede. Elephants love the people. We also need a chance to let them wild. Help! No, wait a minute, no. No, wait a minute, what? Wait, Okay, I give up. I'll leave. I felt good. Yeah, that felt great. I know. Now, Clara, it's time for the final segment. Oh, right. Come on. Let's go get the guest. And now, to wrap up our program, we have an interview with somebody who has had some experience with elephants. So now, put your hands together for Grover. Thank you very much. Thank you. Hey there, Horton. Oh, how are you doing? I'm fine, Grover. Just fine, Grover. So Grover, tell us about your experiences with elephants. Oh, yes, elephants. Well, I was once in the jungle and I encountered an elephant trying to get the picture of it. And how did that go? Not so well. I also met an elephant when I was visiting India. Ooh, India. Yes, sweet India. And when I was trying to change it to soup, Grover, I had to help an elephant out of a phone booth. It wasn't too much fun. Do you know any facts you can share with us about elephants? Yes, they love peanuts, and they love to dance, and they live in trash cans. What trash cans? Elephants don't live in trash cans. Oh, wait a minute. Now I see what you're going. We are Fluffy the elephant. Yes. Would you call yourself an expert on elephants? Oh, yes. Well, where do elephants originate from? Well, elephants originate from... Okay, I don't know. It's fine, Grover. So listen, do you have any elephant impressions? Oh yeah, I can pretend to be an elephant. You want to see me pretend to be an elephant? Sure. Okay. Not bad. Not too bad. Maybe a little more. A little more. Oh, I'll try. I did it! I did it! I did it! Oh, where is he? Where is that beautiful elephant that called me? What? Oh, be still, my heart. Oh no! I think I'm pretending to do well. Come back here, my love. Oh, jeez. Well, I think this is a good time to wrap up the show. Thank you all for watching the Elephant Show. I want to thank my wonderful crew, my annoying musical guest Patrick Starr, and my wonderful guest Grover. Come back, you know you love me. Who I will help after I wrap up. So thank you all for watching. Tune in to the next episode. Goodbye. You and I are meant to be. Dude, he's not an elephant. That was a pretty good show. I think Horton will do great. Yeah, I hope the network doesn't cancel it though. Yeah, but it'll go well, I bet. Yeah. Well, I still think it should be about a moose. No. Well, come on. I can do good. Watch this. I can do moose dance. Moose, moose, moose. Moose, moose, moose. Moose, the moose, the moose. Moose, the moose, moose. Moose, 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 moose. Moose, 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 moose. Moose, 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 moose. Wait. Unbelievable. Yeah. You want to watch nostalgic stories? Yeah. Okay, let me get the remote. Okay, here we go. Subscribe for my new program. Psst. Is your friend gone? Yes, he's gone. Oh, that was close. Life lesson. Always be careful when you pretend. Okay.